written, they will write it out. First, let me do E1. From E we will start and then we will once again revise that one. That's what you all
Okay,
have
ma'am.
finished. आगे E1 में आ जाइए आप लोग, जो आज हम लोग को करना है। And then we will
स्टार्ट करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर ई।
E1 you all have done now.
E1 हो चुका है।
मैम हो गया, इसी करना है।
मैम आज E3 से स्टार्ट करना है।
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इज रिपीटिंग।
मैम रिपीट करवा रही है उसको।
अभी E1 कर लो, उसके बाद हम D5 से आप लोग को रिवाइज करवा देंगे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम। ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
बता दीजिए ना।
Okay, now let us start. Why would life not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis? This is E1 question. Okay, you will write it from here, page number 4. Photosynthesis is a unique process. It is this process that supplies food directly or indirectly for all living organisms. The energy of the sun thus gets passed on to all organisms through plants. Plants also provide oxygen needed by all living organisms for respiration. So we cannot so don't write we cannot. So life would not be possible. Life would not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. Okay. So life would not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. Then come to E2 question. E2, give reasons for the following. Mushroom is a saprotroph because it feeds on dead and decaying matter. Mushroom is a saprotroph because it feeds on dead and decaying matter. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all organisms depend on sun for the source of energy. Because all organisms depend on sun for the source of energy directly or indirectly. The leaf of a plant, it would be better if you note down this answer. इसको अगर आप नोट कर लीजिएगा तो ज्यादा ठीक होगा, ठीक है? The leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked because the gaseous exchange gets stopped. Because the gaseous exchange gets stopped. Yes, I will repeat, Gaurav. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all organisms depend for energy source on the sun directly or indirectly. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all organisms depend on sun for the energy source directly or indirectly. Then C, the leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked. Which page, Swaraj? Just wait. Wait, I will repeat again and again, and be careful, you will get the answer. In between, all of you will ask me to tell this question, that question, then it will be disturbed. Matter is same. Language will be different, but the matter is same. The leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked because gaseous exchange do not take place. Because gaseous exchange do not take place in the plant. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant because food is prepared in the leaves. Because food is prepared in the leaves. Lichen is a living partnership between a fungus and an alga, and this partnership is beneficial to both because open page number 6, last paragraph. Because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter. Because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter, the alga prepares food by photosynthesis. The alga prepares food by photosynthesis. Next question. Why do some plants feed on insect? How does a pitcher plant catch insect? Come to page number 5. Some plants feed on insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirements. Page number 5. There is just a change in the language according to the question, and then matter is taken from there. Page number 5. Question is, why do some plants feed on insect? You will start from that question. Some plants feed on insects, and then turn to page number 5. To fulfill their nitrogen requirement. You just add that word, to fulfill. For their nitrogen requirement is written in the book, you write down to fulfill their nitrogen requirements. How does a pitcher plant catch insect? Now for this answer, you will write, continue from the same paragraph. Some parts of such plant get modified to trap insect. The leaf of the pitcher plant get modified to form a pitcher with a lid. The lid is able to open and close the mouth of the pitcher. The pitcher is linked with downward pointing hairs. When an insect enters, it cannot climb back against the hairs and ultimately falls to the bottom of the leaf and gets digested by the juices present there. In this way, a pitcher plant catches insects. In this way, a pitcher plant catches insects. Lastly, you will conclude with this sentence. In this way, the pitcher plant catches insect. How do rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plant help each other in their survival? Ayush Raj, which answer you want to be repeated? The same answer. Okay. Question 3. Okay. Why do some plant feed on insect? For that you will write some plant feed on insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. Then after that you continue from the book, page number 5. Some parts of such plant get modified to trap insect till you will write digested by the juices present there. Just omit for example in between. And in the last you will write in this way the picha plant catches insect. Just listen once again. एक बार और सुन लीजिए. Some plants feed on insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. Then for the second question of the same number, how does a picha plant catch insect? For that answer, you write it from the book. Some parts of such plant get modified to trap insect. Omit, for example, just cut it. And then continue. The leaf of the picha plant get modified to form a pitcher with a lid. The lid is able to open and close the mouth of the pitcher. The pitcher is lined with downward pointing hairs. When an insect enters, it cannot climb back out against the hairs and ultimately falls to the bottom of the leaf and get digested by the juices present there. In this way, this you have to write, add it. In this way, the picha plant catches insects. Now it is okay? Yes or no? Okay. चलो आगे move करते हैं. How do, next question, it is E4. How do rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plant help each other in their survival? Come to page number 7. First paragraph. Rhizobium is a bacterium that lives in the roots of leguminous plant. It converts nitrogen from the atmosphere into a usable form that can be utilized by the plant. The plants in turn provide food and shelter to the bacterium. Rhizobium is a bacterium that lives in roots of leguminous plant. It converts nitrogen from the atmosphere into a usable form that can be utilized by the plant. The plant in turn provides food and shelter to the bacteria. Is it okay? Now, after that, come to this web chart. Web chart, complete the web chart. Sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, then it is absorbed by root. Hint is absorbed by root. What will you write? Water and minerals. Water and minerals. Results in formation. Absorbed by root is your water and minerals, and then result in formation of carbohydrate and oxygen. And this blanks you will write In presence of chlorophyll, you write chlorophyll. From leaves, you write from leaves, and in the upper one you will write chlorophyll. I will unmute all of you after finishing this. Don't worry, I'll send it. Who is this? Siddharth, why do you want to unmute? Siddharth.
Ma'am,
Yes. Siddharth, what do you want to
ma'am,
say?
can you please repeat the second D question?
Yes, I
Leaves
will
is
do
known
that.
as
Why are you just restless? अभी तो हम लोग बोले ही है ना कि इस क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद उसको हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Let us
ma'am.
come first. हाँ,
Ma'am, can you
बोलिए.
repeat?
Ma'am, question
Ma'am, can you
number
repeat?
5 complete the web chart में ma'am plant है sunlight, carbon dioxide, ma'am उसके बाद water and minerals के बाद chlorophyll, carbon dioxide from air, water and mineral absorbed by roots and chlorophyll ma'am present in
Listen
leaves
1
ना
minute.
होगा.
हाँ, from leaves.
Yes ma'am.
From
और
leaves.
result in formation of
Either
glucose
you
and
can do that.
oxygen.
हाँ, carbohydrate or glucose, any way you can write. Okay.
ma'am. Okay
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you repeat
Carbohydrate
before?
भी लिख सकते हैं, glucose भी लिख सकते हैं.
मैम मैंने
Ma'am, can
ग्लूकोज
you repeat?
लिखा है.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you repeat? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के जस्ट बगल में क्या होगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के बगल में क्या होगा?
Water and minerals.
Water and mineral.
और एब्जॉर्ब बाय रूट के बगल में
Carbohydrate.
प्रेजेंट इन लीव्स फ्रॉम लीव्स.
Water and minerals के बगल वाले blank में chlorophyll लिख लो और from leaves लिख लो. Absorbed by roots में. Absorbed by roots के बगल में आप लोग leaves from leaves लिख लो. Okay. Now
Okay,
come
ma'am.
to this value-based question. All of you have done till here. यहाँ तक
Yes,
खत्म हो गया.
Yes
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you
complete.
please repeat the second D question?
I will do that, beta. Just wait. First, let me complete in sequence. Then I will do. Value-based
Okay, ma'am.
question. देख लो. The teacher told her students the story of film Dost. She told them that in that film, the friendship between a visually challenged boy and a lame boy helped them both to face and overcome the very many challenges of their day-to-day life. She went on to compare their friendship with symbiotic relationship between two organisms. Now, what is the question?
Ma'am, can I read?
So you just write down this. Suggest any two values that according to you must have been there in the two friends of film Dost. What is this? What is the value displayed over there?
Ma'am,
What
help
did
them
you say
both
over
to
there?
face and overcome.
Ma'am, kind,
No,
helpful.
what are the values here? Value क्या होगा?
Ma'am, helpful and friendship.
Caring,
Ma'am, helpful and
friendship.
Caring.
friendly behavior. Then, in what ways is the friendship between two boys similar to symbiotic relationship between two organisms? What will you say? According to symbiotic relationship, if you compare friendship, तो क्या बोलोगे इसमें? Both are helping
Ma'am,
each
both
other.
are helping
by-
each other. Yes, ma'am. By caring.
Yeah, by taking care or by sharing their things. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. It is on you how you are describing it. Clear? Give one example of symbiotic relationship between two organisms. ये तो आप lichens का ले सकते हो, rhizobium का ले सकते हो, जो भी आप पढ़े हो उसका आप ले लो. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, मैं
after that,
rhizobiums और leguminous का ले रही हूँ.
हाँ, कोई भी ले लीजिएगा. Why is it important to increase the forest cover? ये important क्यों है? Because forest is very useful to us as it provides us medicinal plants which are useful for our day-to-day life, crops, then oxygen, protects our environment. These all are the points you can describe in your own way in this question. Clear? Then crossword puzzle.
समझता है कि जब
Now
हमसे
please
कोई
don't
मांगेगा
discuss.
ना,
That is why I used to
मैम, वैल्यू बेस्ड
Yeah.
कॉपी में भी लिखना
पिछली
है.
हमसे मांग रही है किसका मैथ्स का और ये ग्रुप क्या मांग रही है
आपको
साइंस
बुक
का.
में सॉल्व कर लेना.
ओके रगला.
Then
मैम, वैल्यू बेस्ड को
Crossword
कॉपी में भी
puzzle.
लिखना है.
नहीं, उसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because same question do not come in your exam. वो आपको एक पैटर्न बताया हुआ है. किसी
Symbiotic
pattern पर question
relationship
आता है.
का.
तो
मैम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर
हाँ.
कॉपी में लिखना है.
मैम, वैल्यू बेस्ड
को मतलब
कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है ना.
मैम वैल्यू
No,
बेस्ड
you
कॉपी
can
में
write
लिखना है कि नहीं?
rough copy जो एक single line की copy बनाए उसमें लिख लो. But it is not same to same coming in the exam. आपको ये pattern बताया.
Ma'am, इससे related आएगा.
Who is shouting?
मैम ABC कॉपी में लिखना है.
No, you write it in the book.
Ma'am, I have
Single
not
line
written it in copy.
मैम
Ma'am, I have filled it in book.
कॉपी में लिखना है.
हाँ, book में लिखे हो, then it's okay. It's okay. अब plant parasite क्या लिखोगे इसमें?
Ma'am, what?
पेज नंबर 13 में plant parasite. 2-10.
मैम अमर बेल. मैम अमर बेल.
Yes. Cuscuta. The process by which green plants prepare.
मैम,
Cuscuta.
फोटोसिंथेसिस.
मैम फोटोसिंथेसिस.
Yes. Photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis and utilization.
मैम, न्यूट्रिशन.
मैम न्यूट्रिशन.
Pigment present in the leaves of
मैम
plants.
क्लोरोफिल. मैम क्लोरोफिल.
क्लोरोफिल.
Then after that, two different organisms together
मैम,
and
सिम्बायोटिक.
thereby
मैम
benefit from
मैम
the
राइजियोटिक.
मैम, सिम्बायोटिक.
symbiotic. Symbiotic. Organism feeding on dead matter.
मैम पैरासाइट.
मैम, पैरासिटिक.
Saprotroph.
मैम सैप्रोट्रोप.
मैम, सैप्रोट्रॉप.
मैम सैप्रोट्रोप.
Organism derived. Who is making this type of noise?
Please
Stop
mute
it.
everyone.
Heterotrophs.
That is why I mute you all.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you are not able to interact with me. So just maintain discipline in the class. Then an organism deriving food from another living organism.
Parasite.
Parasite.
Ma'am, parasite.
Organism that cannot prepare its food.
Heterotroph.
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs, you write.
Ma'am, now chapter
Now,
is
you were
completed.
demanding about D. D, which one question? D2. Who was telling me to discuss?
Ma'am, me, Kumari Purva. All the three questions can be answered.
Okay, आप लोग एक बार फिर से सुन लो D question. D1. Why is nutrition important for living organism? Nutrition is important for living organism as living organisms as it helps to build their bodies, to grow, repair damaged parts of their bodies, and to provide energy to carry out life processes.
Ma'am, E to D.
All of those were not marked. Once again,
Ma'am, E
nutrition
का
is important
दूसरा
for living organism.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोल रहे हैं आप लोग, सुनो ध्यान से पहले. Nutrition is important
Ma'am,
for living
E.
organism because nutrition helps living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and to provide the energy to carry out life processes. This is given in page number 1. How do green plants synthesize their food? Write down green plants synthesize their food. Page number 2. By using carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. State the role of vessels present in a plant.
Ma'am, can you please repeat E to D?
Which one?
Ma'am, E of 2D.
Now, just now I am discussing D1, D2. Then you are asking E. Why are you not alert at that time when I was discussing that one? Now you just wait. After completing D, I will come to E.
Ma'am, I have written all the question answers in copy.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ma'am,
How
can
do
you-
green plants synthesize their food? I told you green plants synthesize their food by using carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. State the role of vessels present in a plant. The role of vessels present in the plant is to absorb water and minerals and transport it to other parts of the plant.
Ma'am, transportation of water and mineral to other parts of plants.
हाँ ठीक है, that's also okay. Matter should be
Ma'am,
same.
Ma'am,
Define
please
the
repeat.
following terms. Which
Ma'am,
one?
please repeat D3.
The role of vessels is to transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to different parts of the plant. The role of vessels is to transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to different parts of the plant. Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
come to symbiotic relationship.
हाँ,
Page number 6.
बोलो.
Two organisms live in close. Yes.
हम लिखेंगे यार.
Ma'am,
Now,
sometimes
here I
two
want to
organisms
sometimes you just omit that word. वो word नहीं लिखना है, जो हम बोलते हैं उस पर ध्यान दिया करो. Two organisms live in close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both. This is called symbiotic relation. Is called symbiotic relationship. Then nutrients, page number 1. Carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, and minerals are all important component of food. These component of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients.
Ma'am, next
Saprotrophic mode of
saprotrophic.
nutrition. Yes, next is saprotrophic, page number 6. Saprotrophic nutrition is the process in which the organism feed on dead and decaying matter. Photosynthesis.
Ma'am,
It is the process through which green plants prepare their own food in presence of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. It is the process through which green plants prepare their own food in presence of sunlight, water, chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide. अब किसको ई का क्वेश्चन चाहिए था? कौन सा ये नंबर?
Ma'am,
बोलो।
E of second of D part. E second question D part.
E. D or B?
ma'am,
Ma'am, D.
please repeat D.
D is the food factory of the plant.
Ma'am, please repeat
Leaf is known as... Okay, I'm telling that D1. Leaf is known as
Ma'am,
the food factory of the plant because food...
Ma'am, please
Because
repeat
food
D.
is prepared in the leaf. Just listen. B भी बोल देते हैं आप लोग. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant because food is prepared in the leaves. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all living organisms depend on sun for energy source directly or indirectly. उसके बाद आ जाओ C. The leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked because gaseous exchange gets stopped. Gaseous exchange gets stopped. Gaseous exchange gets stopped. Now come to E. Methane is the living partnership between a fungus and an alga, and this partnership is beneficial to both. Come to page number 6. The fungus absorbs water and provides shelter. The alga prepares food by the process of photosynthesis.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, can you repeat E2?
शिवम या पानी लिया?
Ma'am, E2 का A repeat करिए ना, please.
Which one?
Ma'am,
E2 का A.
Question A.
Mushroom is a saprotroph because it feeds on dead and decaying organism. Mushroom is a saprotroph because it feeds on dead and decaying organism. And these all question answer will be there on your WhatsApp. तो आप लोग ज्यादा इस पर worry मत करो. Don't worry for that. Clear?
I need
D5.
Please repeat D5.
Okay.
Ma'am, D.
When some wheat ducks, this is D5. Listen. When some wheat duck was left in open for a few days, it started emitting a foul smell statewide. Because it becomes rotten and gets decomposed by the action of fungi.
Hello guys.
Because it becomes rotten and gets decomposed by the action of fungi. Because it becomes rotten and decomposes due to action of fungi.
Subscribe.
Swasti Raj, please mute yourself, and either you, if you have to join your class, join it properly. Otherwise, you will be blocked in the class.
Ma'am, can
Be
you please
attentive and don't. Which one?
Ma'am, can you please repeat E1?
Yes. Why would life not be possible on Earth in absence of photosynthesis? Wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे तो चल रहा है तो मैं क्या करूं? वही 42 ही हो रहा है.
Shivam Kumar Dubey.